to CJ. CJ fires the three.
Oh! He drains the three!
Delivers for the Beermen. Take a look at it one more time. Clearly behind the three-point arc. CJ has it. Marshall steps back for the lead. Oh! Marshall puts it up and in! Take a look at it one more time. Quito bites on the fake and Marshall turns into Super Marshall. That's a screen. Maquero drives, layup. CB, that rolls out! CJ gets it, and he gets fouled. Oh my goodness! Same
hit
spot.
the three-point shot in the same spot.
And that is the ball game as Meralco loses this one. And the Beermen wins this in amazing fashion.